English is not improving. So in this video we will learn why 5 reasons because of that our English is not improving. How can we improve? We can use those and we can improve our English. So there are some reasons. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon. जिससे आपको आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी. अगर आपने हमारी ओल्ड वीडियोस नहीं देखी हो तो यू कैन गो एंड वॉच. सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 5 रीजंस. So I am going to share 5 reasons why your English is not improving. You have to remove that. You have to remove those reasons. So before watching video, you have to subscribe my channel and support. So आज का हमारा टॉपिक है 5 reasons why our English is not improving. So first reason is that we are thinking about grammar. We think that our grammar is not good. We should first, at the beginning time, you have to not think about more grammar. You have to, if you know some grammar rules, it is enough in starting. You go in structure, rules, so you make complicated. You get many problems. You have to not think about grammar. You know some grammar, you have to follow that. You have to improve your English by speaking. You have to not, you think that first I should learn grammar, then I will start to speaking. You have to not think about grammar. Second point is that you feel shyness. So by that you are not improving your English. You have to leave your shyness. You have to not think that you are making mistake, that people will think you are not able to speak, you are speaking wrong. You have to not feel shy. You have to leave that shyness. So first point was that you have to not think about more grammar, more structure, rules. You have to not, so you should know some rules of grammar. Common rules you should know, but not go deeply in grammar. If you go deeply in grammar, you will not be able to speak. You cannot learn grammar in some days. This is very long term of learning grammar. So first you have to start, you have to not think about grammar. Second point, we knew that you have to not feel shyness. By shyness you cannot improve. You cannot speak whatever you want to speak. You have to leave. You have to bring confidence. If you feel shy, your confidence level is go dull. So you have to speak without shyness. You have to speak confidently. Third point is that you are not getting input. You are not getting input properly. That you are not reading books. You are not watching anything. By that you are not writing. This is regularly you should do. You should do regularly, get input like that. You should listen. Listening power should be strong. By that you get thoughts, new ideas. You have to, and you get that pronunciation of that. You get structure. What is this sentence structure? You get by reading, listening or writing. Fourth point is that you have to make continuously. That practice, you have to consistent your practice. You have to do regularly practice. If you are doing any practice, you have to do. You have to not skip a day. Like that I am making video today. I think that tomorrow I am not making, and it is enough for 2 days or 3 days. So this is wrong. Your practice stop there. You have to, if you are doing any practice, you have to do regularly. You have to speak regularly. If you are making video, you have to make regularly, then you can improve. If you do not make regularly, your practice stop there only. And fifth point was that you have to not think that I will speak. You have whatever you are doing to speak, so you have to start from today, from now as well. If you want to speak, you have there were five ways that you are 5 reasons you are not improving your English. So you have to follow them. That you have to not think about more grammar. You have to not go deeply in grammar at the beginning. So if you are making mistake, you have to not think about mistakes, because we learn about mistakes. We learn from mistakes. If we are going to learn any language, we learn from mistakes. And second point was that you have to remove your silence. You have to not think that I will make mistake, people will laugh at me. You have to not think anything. So third point was that you have to practice regularly. You have to get input regularly, and you have to not think that I will do. You have to do whatever you want to do. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel and share. If you are not getting anything, please ask me in comment box.